Welcome to Parvez Talks. Hi friends, please subscribe my channel. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. A teacher should have a creative mind. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, hard work is the solution. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. What people think about you is not important. What you think about yourself means everything. Don't take a rest after your first victory. Because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Dreams is not what you see in sleep, is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help because beauty is required in heart, not in face. Love your job, but don't love your company because you may not know when your company stops loving you. A true relationship is when someone accepts your past, supports your present, encourages your future. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. When God pushes you to the edge of difficulty, trust Him fully because two things can happen. Either He will catch you when you fall, or He will teach you how to fly. Forget who hurt you yesterday, but don't forget those who love you every day. Forget the past that makes you cry and focus on the present that makes you smile. Forget the pain, but never the lessons you gained. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt because even the successful mass starts with zero only. Umbrella can't stop the rain but can make us stand in rain. Confidence may not bring success but gives us power to face any challenge in life.